Hello, my name is Tarzan Jungle Queen. I am a multidisciplinary queer artist living in Darwin. I have been working as an artist for a number of years, and this year recently had my first ever solo exhibition at Northern Centre for Contemporary Art in Parap. In my practice and in the exhibition, I use a large number of different mediums, screen printing, poetry collage, video. I'm a graphic artist, so I made a zine, and also my first time creating artworks at large scale onto 3 metre by 9 metre walls. It was very exciting to have my first show. It really focused on gender and feminism and a play on the patriarchy as well. Most of my artwork is for the community or brought together by issues that surround the community. I've been a screen printer for around 8 years and professionally worked at an organisation for 5 years. Working full-time as a screen printer for me was not the funnest thing in the world. I felt like a bit of a machine, but I got to learn a lot of different skills and mostly worked with oil-based inks in the organisation. But since finishing and doing screen printing now more freelance, I only use water-based inks for health reasons, and have had amazing opportunities to share my skills with the community. So I get to work with activism groups, kids. I've worked in communities. I teach screen printing workshops here at Untitled Gallery and Studio. The joy of being able to share that skill is seeing everybody come together and realising that it's more about fun, and it doesn't matter if you aren't great at it at the start, like as long as you have a go, and you'll be walking home with something fun at the end of the day. There's a number of things you can print on. There's t-shirts, bags, pillowcases, timber, and yeah, I guess like one of the biggest things with all of my classes is that is that kind of trying to build connections between people. So a lot of the processes that I would go through with a class would be working together as a team and creating something unique that you may not ever be able to create again, or maybe you can create again. The beauty of screen printing is that that old cool pop art world where you can keep recreating, and it's kind of a play on consumerism in the way that I teach it, where it's for fun, and we're never going to be printing thousands. Probably just like 10 is mostly the max, unless it's for a protest, and then we would go crazy. Yeah, so thank you Channel NT for having me and allowing me to run these workshops. I'm excited to get started. Today we're going to go through a 4-colour stencil print process, and I'm excited to show you all. Thank you for watching. You can find more videos from Territory artists at channelnt.com.au.